Good morning, children. So, Atrazor is written at the board, and here you can see what is green over here. It is grass. What is this? Grass. As you know, we had already done sky letters, so today we are going to do the grass letters. From the letters Atrazor, we have to sort out our grass letters. Now tell me, what do you mean by grass letters? When do you see the grass? We see grass in the parks or in the zoo, and usually we walk on the grass, right? So when we are walking, where do we walk? We walk on the land, we walk on the surface. So grass is always on the land, right? And sky is on the top. So the letters which we had started with the red line and end on the blue line from the top, they were sky letters. Now tell me, what are the grass letters? Grass letters are those letters which comes between these two blue lines. Okay? These four lines indicates the earth. The top is sky. This is your land and this is your root. Okay? So the letters which comes between these two blue lines are called grass letters. I am repeating again. The letters which comes within only these two blue lines are called grass letters. Now let's start. What is this? A. Is A coming within these two blue lines? Yes. A is a grass letter. I am writing it over here. Now let's move to the next letter. This is B. B is touching the top line. So it is a sky letter. This is K. K is also coming between the two blue lines. So K is a grass letter. Next is D. D is also touching the top line, and top line shows us the sky letters. The next is A. Is A coming within these two blue lines? Yes, it is coming. A is also a grass letter. Next is F. F can't be grass letter because it's touching the red line, the top red line. So which means it is a sky letter. The next is G. G is also going down. It is not a grass letter. This is H. H is touching the top line. So it is a sky letter. Now this is E. E is coming within these two blue lines. Yes, it is a grass letter. The next is J. J is going down. It is not a grass letter. Next is K. K is touching the top red line. So it means it is a sky, not grass. Again, L is touching the top red line. It is also a sky letter. The next is M. M is coming within these two blue lines. So M is a grass letter. Next is N. N is also coming within these two blue lines. N is also a grass letter. Next is O. O is touching the top red line. No, it is coming within the blue lines only. So O is also a grass letter. What is the next sound which is here? O written. O is going down. It is not neither grass nor sky. The next is O. O is also going down. So it is not a grass letter. It is Ro. Ro is coming within these two blue lines only. So Ro is also a grass letter. Right? The next is So. So is also touching only these two touching the blue lines only. Right? So is also a grass letter. The next is T. T is touching the top line. So what does it mean? Which letter it is? It is a sky letter. Okay, now what is this? Umbrella comes within these two blue lines only, so it is also a grass letter. See, we have found so many grass letters from here. The next is V. V is also coming within these two blue lines, right? So V is also a grass letter. I'm writing all the grass letters over here, right? The next is W. W comes within the blue lines only. The letters which comes within the blue lines are called grass letter. And the next is X. X also comes within the blue lines. So we have one more grass letter over here. Now this is Y. Y is going down. And this is Z. Z comes within the blue lines only. So Z is also a grass letter. I am repeating one more time. The grass letters are those letters which comes within the blue lines only, and we had sorted out our grass letters